Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring the top e-commerce jobs for freelancers. Let's dive in. The e-commerce world offers many opportunities for freelancers. Skilled writers, photographers, videographers, and graphic designers are in high demand to create captivating product descriptions, blog posts, social media content, and multimedia products. Pros: flexible hours and remote work. Independence to work on your own terms. Cons: income may fluctuate. No benefits like paid time off or health insurance. Best e-commerce freelancing positions. Website developer. Develop and manage e-commerce websites, create layouts, add features like payment gateways and shopping carts, and ensure security and performance. Average earnings, $96,414 annually. Content writer. Create engaging and convincing written content for e-commerce websites, including product descriptions and blog posts. Average earnings, $72,173 annually. Product photographer. Take excellent product photos for e-commerce sites, including setting up shoots and editing images. Average earnings, $62,423 annually. Email marketer. Design and execute email marketing campaigns to nurture leads and increase sales. Average earnings, $69,583 annually. Social media manager. Manage social media accounts, create engaging content, and interact with the audience. Average earnings, $71,570 annually. Inventory manager. Oversee inventory for online retailers to maintain optimal stock levels. Average earnings, $60,153 annually. Graphic designer. Create visual assets like banners, product photos, and marketing materials for e-commerce businesses. Average earnings, $56,087 annually. These opportunities offer skill growth, good income, and flexibility. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.